Asiyeni eKZN.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
Good night. Hi guys, welcome to Kwamhlongo's beach day. We're taking the kids to the beach. Yes, transport is ready. Now bayangena abashana. Yeah. Welcome to Kwamhlongo's vlog, Christmas vlog. Kuning, but yeah, let's go to the beach. My sister.
Hey ladies, how are you?
Hey, baguette.
Hey, how are you? I'm fine too. Oh God.
Somtshane camera khuluma isingisi. So bekamera uzikhuluma isingisi kuphela.
Yeah. Wazi nje kwabe camera.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so that we can be together. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it. Your eyelids and perfect lips got me rushing pen and I'm so lit. Like lilies you open, the fragrance goes to my head, my darling. I get everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it.
Good morning, guys. It is currently on the 24th, Christmas Eve. Oh, forgot to put this down last night. After taking a shower, and I've taken a shower again this morning. We're going Christmas shopping. I'm so tired. It was travel day on Monday, Tuesday beach. Now we're going Christmas shopping. Obviously, Christmas Day it's gonna be the food preps and so forth and so on and so and the Christmas festivities. So kuningi. But yeah, I don't wanna leave you behind. I thought let me pull out this camera so that we can go together. I might not do the greatest job because if you are carrying things, I'm not pelezela nyoko the Christmas shopping. So it's full in the shops. It wants you to keep it moving. It's the same thing as yesterday when I was at the shops buying the snacks and the food for the kids. I couldn't vlog. I couldn't keep up because you wanna move. So I'll still try to take you guys with, but if we go, you must know it's a big busy. That's why we're even leaving early so that we avoid the queues. So yeah, that's the plan for today, Christmas shopping, and we will meet again once we get back from town. And also I'm driving, so camera, there are cops everywhere, and also I'm not a person who likes vlogging in the car, if you haven't noticed. But yeah, before ngikhulume nje ngize ngiqamba amanga, let's go guys. Sekhona nje baby.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time.
Bese sisale liphepha la bese silo sister mane qala check athi hawu akahambe kohlala sekulokhu ngihla ngenyuka ke manje check le BP yamsidla ngabhalane-ke manje hayi i-BP yakhe akahambe ngale sofika am-check engifika sister akangi-check-i engabe noma
Awubekhona lo siso bemelene nawe.
uye nje bona ngivele ngibona ukuthi
Uthunyelwe kuwe.
uma ngiyitholi zonke izinto zami nawe ngihambisa manje angisakutholi uzogcina wathi eyi angazi-ke ngoba uzofika manje-ke nje ngoba njengamanje usuyinejenti siyagijinyiswa-ke manje ngavele ngakhala kakhulu mama ngathi mina ngoninani umningi ngoba kuwu-12 manje usho ukuthi mina ngifika manje ngisho ngabo abantu ngifike qala nje nawo bahambile manje abe ngizophokhalelani isengiphatha ukutawana ngeshumayo
ngoba yonke le ntlupheko kuyona yangenelisa.
yes
Ngiyakhumbula ufika ngikubona yonke into yami. Ngayibonela umuntu oyithandayo useyimisele ngomsebenzi wakhe. Kwaba khona into enhliziyweni yami ethi zonke iy'nkinga zakho
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, fam. Merry Christmas, hope. This year was a beautiful one for you. If it wasn't, I wish 2026 is better. It treats you better. I wish God grant you all your heart desires. I just want to thank you so much for your love, your support, your continuous support. Thank you for showing up for me. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. May God bless you and your families. You might not see this message on Christmas. I'm not going to be posting much on social media. Maybe I will send out a message, a Christmas wishes, but I doubt it. When you see this, I just want to say thank you so much. I truly, truly appreciate you. I truly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. uNkulunkulu anenze kahle, uNkulunkulu anibusise inhliziyo zenu ezikufisayo konke uNkulunkulu anenzele, not nina kuphela but even your families. If it's not your best Christmas, if you are not having the good Christmas, may Christmas wa 2026 ube ngcono kuno Christmas wa this year. Love you so much. Nje konke kuhambe kahle empilweni zenu, good health, abundance, your careers, may they move forward. Abafuna imisebenzi, bethola imisebenzi. Nginifisela konke okuhle and I thank you so much. I just woke up, I did my morning devotions and yeah, I'm gonna join the rest of the family now for Christmas activities. I'm sure they've started with, because it's late already, it's after 9. I'm sure they've started with making breakfast. They say I'm not gonna be making the kids the muesli and yogurt and all. I actually forgot. We were so busy yesterday. We were so busy. I forgot and I was tired because it's been back to back. Yeah, so I think today they're making the morning burgers and that's all they're gonna have this year. That's all they're gonna have. So yeah, let's get up and see itini festive, itini Christmas yakwamhlongo. And we are cooking. Last year we did a braai. This year we're going back to cooking. We haven't cooked, guys, in this house for years. We've been doing a braai because it's panning. So a braai is easy to braai because a braai chakalaka is salad. While cooking is curry, it needs salads and all the 1,000 salads that you need to cook. Sometimes it can be, but yeah, that's our Christmas for today. Let's go and see what's up, what's popping, and Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. It's Little the Madness. Okay, all right. Where them and that's mine. Hi guys, guess what? I left home to go buy cream. We forgot cream yesterday when we were shopping, and guess where I am? I drove to the beach. Drove straight to the beach because the other day when we were bringing the kids, we actually didn't come to the beach. We went to Iqweba. Iqweba, I don't know what it's called, but it's the water that doesn't really have waves. Like, it's safer for kids to swim. And since we have a lot of kids, monitoring kids and the waves and all of that, the safety comes first at least. So we decided to take them to the other side. And I didn't really get to come and see the actual ocean. Last year I also didn't. It's been a while since I've been to Richards Bay beach. So we are here. Let's go quickly check it out and head home because they need the cream to start preparing. Bandla, so many childhood memories. That's enough. That's enough. Let's go home. Okay, let's go to the shops and then. If I had the energy, we were gonna walk all the way to the dolphin viewing, but I never, sissy, no. Let's go. Uzala ukuzelula. Yes. It's time. Pumpkin. It smells delicious. Curry. Rice. Steamed bread. Workers of ube ndawoni ngoba wanikwa udoctor futhi kumele waqede indaba yekumuso ngakano thando lo uthethelelwa kwezono ukhulula komphefumulo ego Morning, guys. Happy. What's the 26th of December? I know it's a public holiday. My camera is dead. Let me clean my camera. There we go. Happy 26th of December. We are heading back to Pretoria. In the morning, you would have seen that I did take my nieces to the bus. They are visiting me in Pretoria. So I'm gonna fly, and then I will go fetch them from the bus stop later on when they get to Pretoria. They're in Durban now. So it's gonna be a long day for them. Mina, I'm quickly going to meet with Uthabile. If you guys remember from the vlog when I was unboxing my birthday gift, you'd remember Uthabile. That's my friend, yeah. I need to give Uminati. Her daughter. It's in here. There it is. Her birthday gift. Her birthday was on the 13th of December. So I need to give her a gift and also just to see them before the year end closes, especially because I was supposed to spend time with them this December, but my plans changed. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's go. One.
Koshaya uJanuary mngani usho osikunika kodwa sokhatheke kodwa ngisho noma nami ngibuyela nawe
Seduza kunomnyango la. Oh yes, so that one. Yes, perfect.
had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate,
guys, we've made it home. We've been home for some time actually. The girls are in Joburg. They've left Joburg Park Station now. So let's go pick them up from Midrand, and let's start this holiday part 2 up. Ngaze hosta this December. Ngaze cool aunt. So yeah guys, let's go fetch the girls and yeah.
Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could laugh. All the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the play, being the play. She is on a roll. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not in a place, she'll be moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams.
Morning guys. It is the morning after. I actually didn't show when we got home with the girls, but yeah, it's the morning after. And I didn't speak to you when I got home. I think I did show when we got home, but yeah, I just wanted to come in to close this vlog. Then I'm gonna start another vlog properly of all the activities we get up to and all of that. But from this side, on this one, the going home and all of that vlog, I think we can close it and call it a day. Love you so much. Thank you for your love and support again. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sticking around. I truly appreciate you. Kaza Gatsanaji is Center. See you in the next one.